Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So you can see it, the iPhone cannot be synced and unknown error occurred 13014. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to update your iTunes. So if you still have this issue, so just try to update your iPhone. So just open your iPhone and now just go to settings, just find here general, and in the general you need to find software update. So just open it, and now if you have available update, just download and install it on your iPhone. So another way you can try, just try to use another cable to connect to laptop, so sometimes it also helps too. So I hope that one of these methods will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.